Hello and welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki. I'm glad to have you here. And today we're discussing building your own fire starter kit. And this is something that is a little bit more advanced than just throwing something in a backpack. This is actually an entire kit. It's not real big, but an entire kit of fire starting equipment. So I hope you enjoy this video and learn from it. Let's check it out. Building Your Own Ultimate Fire Starter Kit, a Guide to Survival. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell. A well-prepared fire starter kit is a fundamental tool for any outdoor enthusiast or prepper. It can make the difference between a successful fire that keeps you warm and fed and a cold, uncomfortable night in the wilderness. Today, I will guide you through building your own comprehensive fire starter kit. First, you're going to need a waterproof bag to keep your fire starting kit in. Remember, this bag will protect your fire starting essentials from moisture, ensuring they remain effective. Disposable lighter. A disposable lighter is a reliable and easy to use fire starting tool. Be sure the lighter is in working condition and think about wrapping a small amount of duct tape around it for emergencies. Duct tape can also be used as tinder. Waterproof matches. Be sure to include waterproof matches in your kit. These matches are designed to withstand moisture and ignite even in wet conditions. Store them in a waterproof container or small plastic bag. A ferrocerium or ferro rod. A ferro rod, also known as a fire starter rod or ferrocerium rod, produces a shower of sparks when scraped with a hard surface. It is another dependable tool for starting fires, and it works even when it's wet. You can create showers of sparks with stainless steel, carbide scrapers, broken glass, and even rocks with a sharp edge. Some tea candles. Tea candles are compact and burn for an extended period of time. They can provide both light and a source of ignition for your fire. Petroleum jelly and cotton balls. Soak the cotton balls with petroleum jelly and store them in a small plastic baggie. These highly flammable fire starters are easy to ignite and burn for several minutes, giving you time to build a sustainable fire. Fire starter rope or a tinder wick. Fire starter rope, also known as tinder wick or fire cord, is impregnated with flammable material. It can be unraveled to expose the core, which can be ignited easily. A knife. A survival knife is essential for many outdoor tasks, including fire preparation. A stainless steel knife will throw sparks from a ferro rod just fine. It just needs a square spine rather than a rounded spine. You can use the knife for gathering firewood, shaving wood for tinder, and striking the ferro rod. A pocket bellow. A pocket bellow is a collapsible tube that helps you direct airflow to your fire, increasing its intensity. This compact tool is invaluable for keeping your fire alive in adverse conditions. Here are some tips on assembling your fire starter kit. Arrange your items neatly within the waterproof bag. Place the more fragile items like the matches and tea candles in a small plastic container to prevent breakage. You need to familiarize yourself with each fire starting tool and practice using them. Be sure to always keep your fire starting kit dry. As with all of your emergency bags, periodically check your kit to ensure items are in good condition and replace any used or expired components. Depending on your needs, you can supplement your kit with additional items like fire accelerants, fire starters in gel form, magnesium bars, or char cloth. Remember that while the kit is important, knowing how to use it effectively is equally vital. I really hope you enjoyed this video on having a fire starter kit and what should be in it. We do have a lot of other videos on a lot of other kits, and I'm going to link to that playlist in the section right here in just a second. Please like, comment, tell me what you thought, tell me what you do, tell me what you wouldn't do, tell me what suggestions you have that maybe I didn't mention in this video. I'd love to hear from you always. Plus, when you like and comment and subscribe, it tells YouTube that you got to see us and we're in the right spot, so they'll show us to more people like you. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.